Did you know that you can make $500 a day just by using your computer? And it's stupid easy. Let me show you how. So first of all, head over to rev.com. So rev.com will pay you for every word that you type. So just scroll down to the button and click on sign up to be a freelancer. So as you can see, Rev wants to pay you $1.01 per minute to transcribe or caption audio from text or video. Now, you might be thinking this isn't worth your time, but don't worry, you don't have to do this manually. This is where the automated part comes in. So go to Google Docs and click on Tools and go all the way down to voice typing. It will type out what you say and it will come up on the screen. All you have to do is to turn on your microphone on your laptop or computer and it will do all the typing for you. If you're being paid $1.10 every minute for every word that you write, and you have this running for 8 hours per day, you're going to be paid around $500 every day. If you want to learn how to make $30K per month passively from home, follow for more. Or click the link in my bio for a completely free training on exactly how to do this. Let's get it.